Imagine a world where computers don't just process information, but rewrite the rules of reality itself. A world where the very fabric of matter is manipulated to unlock the ultimate computing power. Well, that world just got one step closer to reality. Microsoft has officially unveiled its first ever quantum computing chip, Majorana 1, and with it, they claim to have created an entirely new state of matter, a topological state. This breakthrough isn't just about computing, it's about redefining the way we understand the universe itself. But what does this mean for the future, and how does this quantum leap compare to the advances made by tech giants like Google and IBM? Stick around, because this revelation might just be the most important technological milestone of the decade. After nearly 2 decades of relentless research, Microsoft has done what once seemed impossible. Majorana 1 isn't just another quantum chip, it's a revolution in materials science and physics. Traditional computers rely on classical bits, ones and zeros, but quantum computers use qubits, which can exist in multiple states at once. The challenge? Building stable and reliable qubits. Enter Microsoft's topological qubits. These are not just theoretical constructs, but physical particles that emerge from the manipulation of exotic materials, specifically indium arsenide and aluminum. To make this work, Microsoft had to engineer these materials on an atomic level, spraying individual atoms with absolute precision to create the perfect quantum environment. That's right, this isn't just about computing power, it's about redefining the very building blocks of reality itself. But why does this matter? The promise of quantum computing has always been tantalizing. Machines capable of solving problems so complex that even the most powerful supercomputers would take millennia to process them. Think of breaking unbreakable codes, revolutionizing drug discovery, or even designing materials that don't yet exist. Google and IBM have already showcased quantum processors, and smaller players like IonQ and Rigetti Computing are making waves too. But Microsoft's approach is different. Instead of using conventional qubits, they are betting on topological qubits designed to be more stable, scalable, and less prone to errors. This is a major leap forward because one of the biggest obstacles in quantum computing has always been error rates. If Microsoft can prove that topological qubits are more reliable, they might just outpace every other player in the race for quantum dominance. So, what's next for Majorana 1? Surprisingly, it won't be available for use in Microsoft's Azure cloud just yet. Instead, this chip is a stepping stone toward a much bigger goal: 1 million qubits on a single device. Right now, most quantum chips are dealing with only a few dozen qubits, so reaching 1 million would be a seismic shift. Unlike its AI chip, Maya 100, which is set to be integrated into Microsoft's cloud services, Majorana 1 is more of a research-focused project. Microsoft isn't outsourcing its quantum chip manufacturing to companies like Taiwan Semiconductor, but is instead keeping the process in-house, meticulously crafting the technology in the U.S. This suggests a long-term strategy, one where Microsoft not only leads in quantum computing, but also controls every aspect of its development. Despite quantum computing still being in its early stages, investors are already pouring money into the field. Just last year, IonQ's stock skyrocketed by 237%, and Rigetti saw an unbelievable 1,500% surge. With quantum computing poised to revolutionize industries, it's no surprise that major players want a piece of the action. Microsoft has been quietly setting the stage for this moment, integrating quantum experiments into its Azure Quantum Cloud service, allowing developers to test algorithms on third-party quantum chips. The big question now is, when will a fully operational Microsoft quantum chip be available for commercial use? Company executives suggest that while some believe quantum computing is decades away, Microsoft's vision is much closer, potentially within just a few years. And here's where things get even more exciting. Quantum computing won't just be a standalone innovation, it's set to supercharge Microsoft's existing AI empire, with AI-driven businesses already generating over $13 billion annually. For Microsoft, quantum computers could provide the ultimate boost by creating entirely new datasets for training AI models. Imagine an AI system designing never-before-seen molecules or inventing groundbreaking drugs with precision beyond human capability. This isn't science fiction. This is the future Microsoft is working toward. The unveiling of Majorana 1 is just the beginning. Microsoft has just thrown down the gauntlet in the quantum race, signaling that the era of practical, scalable quantum computing is closer than ever. With new breakthroughs on the horizon, one thing is certain: whoever wins this race won't just control the future of computing. They might just control the future itself. What do you think? Will Microsoft's topological qubits give them the edge over Google, IBM, and the rest? Or is the dream of quantum supremacy still too far away? Let us know in the comments. And if you want to stay ahead of the tech curve, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. We'll keep you updated on the biggest tech revolutions shaping our world.